J&J Auto Wrecking test video of N6CE223. This is a 2006 Chevrolet C6 Corvette convertible. Base car, LS2, 4L60E auto, beautiful white exterior with a tan interior and top. A lot of good parts on this car. Full disclosure, it was in a flood. Hurricane Ian claimed this one. Surprisingly though, many things still work. Let's step inside here and fire this girl up. There we go. Oh, radio amplifier seems to have seen better days here. Just need some mileage, please. 63,839 miles on the LS2. Running great. Oh wow, that radio is really gonna deafen me here. CD player works. See what we were listening to today. Saigon Productions, the best of, I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce that, but hey, the guy looks pretty happy. All right, what else can we test out in this girl? We got power windows, that window. Make it stop, please. Let me know in the comments below if your Corvette does this, because this is annoying. I know it got wet, so I gotta give it some credit there. Radio is still working. If I shut it off, will it stop?
Should. Oh, apparently not.
Nope, it will not. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission. We've got reverse. We've got drive. LS2 is running great. We're making good oil pressure here. We're charging. Okay, sorry guys, I had to do that. Couldn't listen to that anymore. That LS2 under the hood is being sold as a swap. What that's gonna get you is the motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. I really wanted a Corvette, but this one's making me not. Ready to pop into whatever you want. Now this will have the Corvette oil pan on it, so you're gonna have to swap it with an F-body, and depending on what you're doing for front accessories, you may have a little bit of work to do up there, but we've got a set of 4 OEM staggered 18-19 inch C5 wheels with what appears to be good tires.
C6.
Sorry, C6. Woo, brain fart. A nice stock exhaust. This was an all stock car. If you guys tangled up a white one and you need body parts, this would be the one to grab them from. 2 hours ago, I drove this car. Not even 2 hours ago. It's still doing it. What if that's like a ghost in the Corvette? It's communicating with us. Today on Big D's Diabetes Corner, what are we making?
We are making Chips Ahoy Chewy Reese's with cool.
Oh, that was weak. That was weak. Oh, what are you two doing? Scott, you getting in?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to outlive everybody in this video. Andrew, what you're about to experience.
Go full dip.
I don't even know how to describe this.
Just go full dip.
The rare Andrew Bebessy enjoying a snack.
More than that. Come on, full dip. There you go.
One bite.
There we go.
Can we get a thumbs up? Big D, how you feeling after that diabetes snack?
Oh, great.
Great. Productivity went down 9%?
Absolutely.
Is that? That's snack time.
Is it nap time?
Nope.
No? Not snack time?
John, can you take nap times like other YouTube people? What is on it?
Snack?
I think it was snack time. It didn't taste like compound. We got all sorts of stuff going on here on the Corvette. What are we doing, Lee? Are we cleaning?
No, we're painting it white.
We're washing the flood off.
Yep.
Yeah, we need a description of how to point at people. I need a rundown of this.
You have to use all of your fingers to point at the subject that you're referring to, because anything pointing back is putting blame on yourself.
All right.
Good.
Whoops, is that not what we were doing? There's like $40,000 in headlights up here. Do we have every color yet?
No.
What are we missing, yellow?
Yellow, black, the special edition carbon set.
Oh, I've never seen those in person.
We're missing
Look at,
the other blue. We're missing the other 2 oranges. But I think we got all the reds.
why is the car getting angrier?
Battery's getting ready to die. You're probably right. I wouldn't leave no power on it tonight in here. Scare away all the...
Robin Williams is gonna pop out of this thing like Jumanji here in a minute. This car in a couple days will end up on a rack. The drivetrain will get pulled out of it, and it'll be on its way to be making a Mountain Dew can again. Although I don't think they make Mountain Dew out of fiberglass. No. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys know what they do with recycled fiberglass. We crush these things up and put them in a container, and you know, they go on to heaven. We don't really know what happens with it, so it'd be kind of cool to learn that. Say bye-bye to the C6, boys. Bye-bye, C6. Hello, beautiful. Love you. You gotta tell your favorite things you love them like once a week or they'll die on you.